Hello and welcome to my Sunday From. Today I have a get ready with me. I'll be dressing up today for Halloween, and I want to show you how I get ready for the day and kind of show you my costume and everything, so that way you guys can see the whole process. So I have these shoes. I have a wig, and I just finished this wig. I did the little trenzas, the little braids in the back, and this goes on top. It's a floral crown, so this just goes on the top of that, like so. And I have the petticoat. So this petticoat is kind of not that big, but my skirt's not that like wide. I kind of tapered it off because it's like really too extra long on me, because it's like a large, I think, and I really needed it to be a full skirt, so I got a large and just tailored it to my size. So I have this little under skirt to poof it out and make it look authentic. It's a mock turtleneck, it's not a full turtleneck. And it's long sleeve, so I think it's a size, this is a size small. This is a small, and it's like a nice long top with a mock neckline and just regular sleeves. And it's like it's a soft like cotton. I really like this top. Like I can see myself wearing it all winter long, or the rest of the fall. And then I made this tie. It's just a little belt, like a pink accent, and a pink accent at my wrist. And then here's the skirt. I sewed all this stuff myself. I sewed the ruffle around the skirt myself, as you can see. And I did the top too. This is the top, as you can see. I just put like a little ribbon around it. Pretty inexpensive. I paid $7 for the dress. I paid like $3 something for the skirt, and I already had the leggings, and this undershirt is what, like $4 most, and the shoes I already had. The shoes were $5. The wig was $3 something, and I got like these little headbands and the paper ahead of time, and the headband, they were like 10 or something like that for like $6 or something. So I just went ahead and made the top, the floral crown, and that's pretty much the basic look. So I found the leggings, the socks, and the earrings. I got these in a haul. This is the jewels, and then the necklace. I got this stuff in a haul for this costume, but this is the one I chose. And so yeah, let's do the makeup and get ready and see what it looks like together. Hey guys, I did my makeup nice and fresh. I have to let it set and then put my clothes on. So wish me luck. These crystals are still wet. Okay, be back. Hey guys, welcome back. I literally only have not even half of my outfit on. I have to, I don't know. I sat for an hour, right? And then like I have the undergarments to put on and the accessories to put on. It's a lot of fun, but hope you guys enjoy the content. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. And yeah, let me get all this on so we can see it. Let's see. Put this on. These don't really fit me that good, but I'm all dressed up. All dressed up and nowhere to go. Look out, world. That's it. So what do you guys think? Cute? Handmade it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. My son different. Bye-bye.